Joseph, who are you? What do you want from me? Do you want to take a test? You will answer multiple choice questions that I will ask you. Let the test begin. Synthesis is A. A whole made up of parts or elements put together. B. Set of facts, principles, rules, etc. C. A figure of speech containing an implied comparison. Can you repeat it? Ah! When you're using figure of speech that directly addresses an absent imaginary person, what are you using? A. Analogy. B. Concise. Or C. Apostrophe. Why are you doing this? Last question. Why are you here? You steal, you lie, or
Hey, hon, you want some breakfast? Oh, no, thank you, though. I'm not hungry anyway.
Hello, Kiki. You want to take a test? You seem to have left your house without some sort of sustenance, because your stomach rumbles as we speak. One of these corridors, there's a completed essay in which you must find within 40 minutes, or my accomplice will find you and kill you. Let the test begin. Hello, Lily. I've been hearing schoolyard rumors of your incredible language and composition skills. All too often, talents like yours are wasted every single day and taken for granted. But I must say, it is a pleasure to finally have a student whose skills may actually rival my own. Would you like to take a test?
No.
Well, too damn bad. This is no mere test offered by a standard class. This one will determine the single most important factor of your future. Your performance here is the determining factor between life and death, literally. As you probably noticed, there's a nail in the jar next to you. It's something for you to write on. You have 10 minutes to write a convincing essay on what goals you will accomplish with your talents, if your life is spared. If you fail to convince me of your worthiness, you'll meet the same fate as your more unfortunate classmates. This begins now. Mwahaha! Oh, damn, dude, this hurts. Screw this crap. Ah!
Congratulations, you passed the test. Too many students don't take their AP classes seriously and waste their potential for knowledge. But not you. Not anymore.
P.S. Mwah!